Hello there. In this short video I'm going to show you how to get started with using processing and how the coordinate system in processing works to let you put shapes in whichever part of the screen you wish. So let's get going. When you launch processing, you have a window appear, and this has an area where you can type text, commands and various buttons across the top, run button, stop button and so on. So the traditional first way to start processing is to just create a small figure with a line on it, and we do that using the line command. Line, and then we give it the X and Y coordinates for the start. So let's choose 15 and 25 as our X and Y coordinates for the start, and we'll also set the X and Y coordinates for the end, close parentheses for our command, and every command in processing must end with a semicolon as highlighted there. So we have the command, the parameters in the command, and then we finish with the semicolon. Once we've done that, we can click the run button. So I'm going to click run there, and after a little while a new window will appear on the screen. Right, let's just get that one for you, and we can see what it's actually shown us. Let's drag that one in. Here we are. Make it a bit bigger. Right, okay, there is our window. So what we can see here is our line, and processing works slightly differently to what you might expect. Now you're probably used to having coordinates where the start point is down at the bottom around here, at the bottom end of the screen, and let me just point out that there we can draw a nice wee so you're normally expecting the start point to be about there. Actually, in processing, it decides that it's going to have the start up here. So your point 0, 0 is going to be there. Let's just set that to remind you. 0, 0 is going to be at that point there. And as we increase the X coordinate, we can see X will increase in that direction and Y will increase in this direction here. So all of our coordinates in processing are going to be based on that 0, 0 being in the top left corner. Okay, so what we've done is we've created a nice window with that we can see, and it's scaled it to the size that we want, and it's used a default color and background. Let's change that a little. Let's first of all set the size of the window. So let's add in a line that says size, and let's make it 300 wide and 300 tall, and we can put in the background and give it our red, green and blue colours that we want. Let's make it some sort of palish pink. So 255 and then 200, 200. What background does is to clear what you can see and to repaint the whole screen with that colour, so everything disappears and you start over again. And remember, every command is going to end with a semicolon. So this time when we run this, I'll just get rid of that old window, let's close the old window, run our script, and this will generate a window that is pale pink and with our line in the right place. And I'll just get that one up for you, just a moment. There we are. No, not that one. Hopefully that should be it. There we are. There's our new window. Just move that away from the code. And this time you can see that it's a little bit, the line in it is much smaller. I've scaled it a bit. So this is 300 and our line is going from 1525 down to 1790. Now we could add another line onto this. Let's do that. And we'll start from the bottom left this time. So X is going to be the same amount in. Let's go for 15, and if we're going from near the bottom, we're going to be somewhere like 280 down from the top. And then we can join it up with that other one, 70, 90. Finish our command, click run, and hopefully after a little while it should add that onto our window. Close the old window, click run, wait for the new window to appear. There we are, and we can see now we've got that extra line added in onto that window there. See the extra line. We can go ahead and draw many shapes and colours on that. I'll deal with those in a separate video.